What's going on, Spark fans? Chino Sparks here. As you can see, I'm actually driving right now on the highway. We just woke up and we're like, you know what? Let's go for a drive. We're gonna go to a spot that I used to go back in the days with my family. And I just thought about it to the kids. Now I'm taking my kids, so it's gonna be pretty cool. And this place is also famous for food trucks. Hopefully that's filled and we're able to test some food. A couple places or a couple people, you know what I'm saying, dog. Anywho, guys, I'm here with my family. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Looks like we got another 10 minutes, guys. Still driving 80 miles an hour. Cruising. Cruise control. Music in the background. Well, not now, but used to be. It looks like it's gonna rain. I hope not. But we'll see what happens, guys. See, and then we got the food trucks. This is so cool. We got we already passed like 2 or 3 of them. There's 1, here's 2, there's more over there. I just gotta find a good parking spot. I think there's a parking spot here we can walk. Chef de pinchos, huh? Chef de pinchos, man. Oh, chief, not chef. Oh man, this is awesome. La única, authentic Puerto Rican cuisine. Mira el ricón, no ricón. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. Here it is, guys. The old Dwarf Park. Came here when I was a kid. Now I'm taking my kids. What is that? Is there something down there? Ah, it's a net. Ooh, this feels weird. Guys, be careful. There could be snakes. I don't know. Pretty soon we're gonna walk that way, guys, and that's where all the action is. Oh my goodness. It is packed. Oh yeah. A lot of shells. There you go. Apparently somebody loves me. I'm gonna leave it like that. Alright guys, so what we basically decided to do was just walk all the way back where we actually started driving in, and then just, you know, walk towards the van where we actually parked, and kind of stop on each of them, see if there's anything that stood out and that we wanted to taste. So I did try a few things outside and then kind of finished it in the van with the rest. This started rain, so keep that in mind, guys. Also wanted to kind of mention that it's actually called Food Truck Paradise in New Haven, Connecticut, guys. So I thought that was pretty cool as well. Alright guys, oh, a little dirty, it's in my pocket, So our first food truck we decided to go to was, now we're smoking. It's, we got a little bit of pulled pork, and a little bit of mac and cheese, and the pulled pork, look at that, oh my goodness. Gonna give this a try. Boo Boo, where's Booby?
He's here.
You scare me. That one, yo. It looks and smells amazing. Now this one usually comes in a sandwich, and then you could put some sauce they have. I just want to try the smoked pork just like that. Huh? Oh, what do we got? What do we got? What is that? Oh man. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? Let me give this a shot here. Everybody, we can take a bite off of this.
Open it.
Oh man, look at this. Oh. Very soft, moist, creamy. It's got the cheese, a little bit of peppers, it looks like. It looks really, really good. You want to try this one, guys? Here, just open your mouth.
Oh my god, so good.
It's just, it looks really, really good. Give this a shot. Oh my god. That's really good. Very juicy. Look at this nice straight. No, never mind. Alright, so I'm gonna try this one right here. I don't know if it's smoky barbecue. Probably jerk. That's actually pretty good. It's like a jerk. A little bit of smoke in there. Everything's smoked. It's so freaking amazing, guys. Can't go wrong with any of these dishes. Now this comes in a sandwich with a side of mac and cheese. But I wanted it in the side. I didn't want to eat the bread. I wanted to taste the meat, how it came out. So the first stop, so far so good, guys. We're gonna keep it going.
So good. Un poquito más.
All right, so now we're in this Latino food truck. It's called La Única, and basically it's called The Only One. Apologies for my hair, guys. It was raining a little bit, and that's how it gets. That's my natural hair. So as soon as I order that, we'll get to the guys. But we've been waiting for quite some time. This is a little bit packed, guys, so just bear with us for a little bit. My goodness, look at my hair, Jesus. Little drops of water, that's it. We'll get my pineapple colada, pina colada. We'll get the pineapple colada. Oh, there it is, guys. The almighty pina colada. Ooh, man. Really good, really good. Pineapple, sweet, a little bit of cherry. It's just perfect. It's perfect. It's really, really good. I like it. So at this point, guys, it started to rain a little bit, so we took that order from that truck, and then we ordered some churros from a Mexican truck, as well as some chips that they had, and then just kind of walked towards the van so we can enjoy the food without any annoyance. Oh yeah, look at the beauty. We were able to look all the way, and now the fog just came in. It's still a little bit drizzly outside, but we just ordered a whole bunch of food, guys. She's got some, he's got some. Say hi to the people. Hi. Oh, beautiful. All right. You guys can see everything in there. My hair's all messed up.
Hi.
All right, so then we bought the churros. Okay, so she's gonna go ahead and try that. All right, so we have this right here is the chicken kebab, or yeah, chicken. It's a chicken kabubi. Okay, the chicken kebab. So we got the I think this is made ketchup, unless they added like some sort of garlic sauce as well, which is pretty good, guys. Really, really good. This is this is my it's called relleno acapurria, made from yuca. Okay, all right. So look at this. So here we have the fried chicken or fried pork, guys. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh my God, it's so awesome! And then we got the plantains, guys. Oh my God, it's seasoned. It's seasoned. So basically that sauce that we have, that's what you use with the plantains. Let me give this a shot. Oh my God. Delicious. And we gotta feed my kids, so color that you guys usually know. It's still hot. Wow. Taking a picture. Let's give this a shot. Huh. You know, it's just so good. It's delicious. You don't even need anything else with it. To be honest with you, whatever's inside, we got some meat. Hang on. There we go. Got some meat.
What you looking at?
I got one more thing to show you guys. And the kebab, the chicken kebab. So normally they do add a piece of bread. I think this is their very own white bread. It's toasted. It's crunchy. It's soft. It's moist. It's amazing. Goodness. All right, let me show you guys the pincho. There it is, guys. This is chicken kebab. They had pork, but because we ordered already the pork and the plantains, I wanted to actually get this from chicken. It's got barbecue sauce, and again, with the bread, it's the perfect combination. A little bit of soda, juice, whatever you guys like to drink after that. I can't forget my pina colada. Give me a minute, guys. I gotta take a bite out of this. Mira que está corriendo de barbecue sauce. Barbecue. Oh my God. Chicken is tender. It's moist. It's still juicy. And it's smothered in barbecue sauce on a grill. Bruh. I just don't think it gets any better than this. I can't not tell you how awesome this is. We have one more actually thing that we bought. They're like the Mexican chips per se. How dirty is this? So she actually added some sort of lemon, lime, or some sort of sauce in there. Let me just take one out real quick. Yeah, I mean, it smells like what's that? The Funyuns without the onion part. You know what I'm talking about? The Funyun chips, but without the onion. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have like flavor unless you add some. But it's, if you don't, you know, they're still crunchy. They're in the bag. They're crunchy. It's not bad. Not a bad snack. First time I ever had one of those. All right, guys. I think that's gonna conclude with the food and, you know, the atmosphere that you have here. A lot of people coming together to enjoy their own variety of foods, and it's just amazing when you go out and do something like this. I mean, out of nowhere, basically this happened. I woke up this morning and I said, you know what, we're gonna go out, we're gonna drive. This is probably about an hour and 20 minutes, and we had some delays, so The weather changed already, and so that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed it and loved everything about it. This is not something that I wanted to do a food critique or something like that, just to show you guys how awesome when you go to these places, how awesome it is to just purchase from any food truck and just try different foods. So amazing. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll check you guys out.